Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Gladys here. I'm so excited to have you guys for another video. Today we're going to be decorating my little hallway here slash entryway tables, credenza, cabinets, whatever. We're going to decorate that for fall. So I'm going to show you guys how you can decorate a small narrow entryway, a long entryway, depending on your space, how you can decorate it for fun. As you can see here, it's all cleaned up. It's a blank slate, and next to it there's also a blue wall art there that I'm also going to show you guys how it looks like with the picture light on top of it. I love the simplicity of this. So decorating this will just pop up this living room. So that's what we're going to do. If you're new here, my name is Gladys. Here I show you guys how to live the simple minimalistic lifestyle. If there's anything that interests you, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and then do not forget to make sure that your notification bell is turned on to all so that you don't miss any videos coming your way. God bless you guys. Let's get into the video. Let's go. So here on this table, I'm actually going to give you guys 4 different ways you can style your table for fall. Just very minimal, very bold, very simple, and all of that. A little bit of rustic, so that you can see whichever is your style, and you can decorate your entryway table that way, your credenza, your buffet table, whatever, you can decorate that way. So always make sure you clean your table. Always start with the blank slate. Make sure everything is all cleaned up, and then you start picking up what you're going to decorate. Have a vision. What is your vision? My vision here is to make this place feel very cozy and very warm by adding lots of light, lots of, candles. So that's what we're going to do. Let's do it. To do is use this beautiful pot. This is from Crate and Barrel. We're going to use this right over here. I like it when it stands right here because I love the flowers to go towards the wall art. I like it to branch that way. Here, as you can see, it's a very small space, so it's going to be difficult to be able to add anything there. So I like it to be here, like so. So these are the stems that I have. These are from Target. They literally look like a little bit like the A floral dupe, except the A floral is a little bit fuller. But these are the exact same color, and they're maple leaves. So we're going to go ahead and walk with it.
I've been wondering about you. They said that just one look and I'd get caught too.
So I went and I added some books. I made sure I added my fall colors in the within the books. I love white. I love these books, and these are all coffee table books, a little older style, but I love them. And I added this color books. I don't care for the one to potatoes, but I love the color of the book itself. It kind of matches with exactly what my fall color is. And then when I'm going to go ahead and add this little beautiful sculpture right here to tie everything in, and then add another beautiful sculpture piece. This is the 2 ring. This is actually from Studio McGee Threshold. I'm gonna go ahead and add it right over here. So let's go for style number 2. I have the same books that I'm going to go ahead and utilize. This time we're going to use it right over here. And I'm going to place the book size this way. Like this. I got a beautiful bowl. Really pretty, which I filled in with these pumpkin bowl fillers from Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it here, just to give you that fun fall vibe. Next to it, I'm gonna go ahead and add a fall candle. Well, this can be any season, but I love to add this color because it's my fall color for this year. So I'm gonna add it next to that like that. Ahead and add these beautiful dry stems in the vase. So there you go. I went in and I added the vase right there. I love this style as well. It's simple. It gives the fall vibe because of the what you may call it, the dry grass or dry stems with the pumpkin. And let's add some fall magic by lighting up this candle light. Let's go for number 3. We're still going to use our same books. Use the things you have in your home, guys, and utilize them to the best of your possibility. So still the same table, still the same book. We're going to turn it back where it was previously. Like so. Of this color, so I'm going to go ahead and add back this color inside. I love this vase that I went and did myself. It was a blue vase, and I kind of washed it out with some baking soda and some white paint. I love the fact that the vase is huge. I'm going to go ahead and add the vase right over here. I'm going to go ahead and add this beautiful flower stem from, these are the Ashland brand, and they're all from Michael's. We're going to add them in here. Just want to give you guys a little tip when you're adding stems in your vase, to make sure that they do not look fake. Make sure that the heights are a little bit different, because when you see real leaves growing out of trees or branches growing out of the trees, they're not the same height. They're not the same length. So go ahead and make them a little bit different. So this is what we're going to do here. This sculpture, I love the fact that it's imperfect. It has little chips inside. This is from Goodwill. These are things that you can add in your home without spending a lot of money. Love that. Gives a little high-end look to your decor. I found this space also at Goodwill. It's also a very it gives a little high hand look to your decor. Things that are very unusual. Kind of reminds me of a little pot that people used to go to the bathroom back in Africa. But hey, who knows this is here? Who cares? So I love that. I'm gonna go ahead and add it right over here. And as I mentioned, everything does not have to be all pumpkin-y and things like that to make it look fall. So I love this right here, but I'm actually going to add a little pumpkin. I think it's going to look cute. I'm going to go ahead and add this right over here. And inside of here, I'm actually going to add a candle. So you can use it as a vase, you can put things inside, or you can use it also as a candle holder. So I'm going to place a candle so I can light up it here. This candle right here is just candle holder, and a candle inside, which you can see I burned all the time. I'm going to go ahead and add it right inside here. No one can see it. It's sitting in there perfectly, and I'm going to go ahead and light it up. This time we're not going to push it all the way down there. We're just going to add it a little bit off center, kind of. I'm gonna go ahead and add it right over here. Go ahead and add the fall vibes. We're gonna go ahead and add this orange color candle, and this candle smells so good upon opening. It's also from Ashland. I'm trying to find the scent for you guys, but I talked about it in my haul last time. But oh my god, it smells so good. It's a 3-wick candle, so I'm gonna add it in here just to add a little bit more of fall color. Take the lid and add it this way. If you want, you can definitely remove the lid. You can do it without, or you can add it for a little bit of contrast and light up the candle. Let me know what you guys think. Which one was your favorite on how to decorate your entryway, or you know what I mean, for the fall? Let me know which one was your favorite. If you're new here and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and give it a subscribe. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and let me know down the comment below which number was your favorite. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way. God bless you guys. Bye.